Do you want to know one of the most common mistakes that my students make when saying goodbye? ئایا ئەتەوێت بزانیت یەکێک لە باوترین هەڵەکانی تەلەڤەکانم لە کاتی خواحافیز کردن؟ Today I'm going to tell you what this mistake is and how to avoid it. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. This mistake happens because we are all taught that if you want to say خۆشحاڵم or خۆشحاڵبووم in English, then you should say nice to meet you. So when my students are leaving after a class, they often say, teacher, nice to meet you. But this is not correct. Why do they say nice to meet you in this situation? Because they want to say خۆشحاڵبووم in English, which of course in Kurdish is very good for this situation and is very polite and respectful. But in English, nice to meet you can only be used the first time that you meet someone. زمانی ئینگلیزی دا nice to meet you تەنها بەکارەهێنین لە یەکەم جار کە کەسێک ئەنەسێنین. If we see someone again, we don't say nice to meet you the second time that we see them. Instead, we say different forms of nice to see you or nice to see you again, or good to see you or good to see you again. So the first time that you meet someone, and when you say goodbye that first time, you should say nice to meet you. But any time after that, when you are saying hello to them, you should say good to see you or nice to see you. And when you are saying goodbye, you can say it was good to see you or it was nice to see you. This is a better way to communicate the meaning of خۆشحاڵم and خۆشحاڵبووم in English. Wait, don't we use a direct translation of خۆشحاڵم and خۆشحاڵبووم in English? Can't you say it's my pleasure or it was my pleasure? Yes, we do use these phrases. For example, you can say pleasure to meet you the first time that you meet someone, but not after that. And this is a very formal English saying. Ama ئینگلیزی زۆر رسمی. We also say it's my pleasure or it was my pleasure in other situations, mainly when someone has just said thank you to us. My pleasure is like another form of you're welcome. In fact, we have a very famous restaurant in America called Chick-fil-A. It's like KFC, but even better. At this restaurant, they teach all of their employees to say my pleasure anytime that a customer says thank you. So, try to practice what we've talked about today in your daily conversation so that you can avoid this common mistake. The first time that you meet someone, say, it's nice to meet you, and it was nice to meet you. Anytime after that, it's good to see you, or it was good to see you, or nice to see you, or it was nice to see you. هاوڕێگیان, have you ever made this mistake? Is this new information for you? If yes, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Kaya panja bane ba dukme like u subscribe. Qurbanat bam hawreegyan. If this was your first time watching one of my videos, then it was nice to meet you. And if you are one of my regular viewers, then it was nice to see you again. Till tomorrow, hata sabene, khwafiz.